Standard 8 English Medium. In chapter 2, in last video we did the exercise 2.5. Now after that there is also some more linear equations which are generally will not be linear equation, but we can reduce them by changing into the linear form, and then we can find the solution. So here we will see the exercise 2.6, in which the equations are given but it is not directly in the linear equation form. We have to reduce them first and then we will find the solution. So solve the following equations. First one, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to c. So here you can see that it is not in the standard form of linear equation. So now what will we do? The denominator we will take to the other side, so it will go into the numerator. So we will write down 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. And therefore, now we will see that 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6x. Therefore, now if you bring the 6x this side, it will be minus 6x and is equal to, thus minus 3 going to the RHS becomes plus 3. So we get 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. Now 8x minus 6x is 2x. So 2x is equal to 3. And thus we get final answer as, when you take 2 that side, it will go in the denominator. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So that is the answer of our first sum. So what did we do here? The denominator was alone 3x, so that can go into the other side, RHS, and it will go in the numerator. And 2 multiplied by 3x is 6x. We bring 6x this side and take 3 that side by changing the sign. And finally, we got the answer. We will do the second sum now. 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Here you can see that on the RHS there is only 15. If you put 1 down, then you can do the cross multiplication, but it is not necessary. So what we will do here, therefore 9x is equal to 15 multiplied by 7 minus 6x. Now we have to open the bracket by the distributive property that you learn in the previous standards. So therefore 9x is equal to 15 will be multiplied with both 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6 are 90x. So 9x is equal to 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6 are 90x. Now we bring the x containing term this side, and therefore what will be here? 9x minus 90 becomes plus 90 if it comes this side, is equal to 105. So what did we get here? 9x plus 90x is 99x. 99x is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 upon 99. 9. Now check if any cancellation. You can see that you can do it with the 3. 3 3s are 9 1 3 5s are, and 3 3s are 3 3s are. So you got x is equal to 35 upon 33, right? So here what type of fraction is it? Proper or improper? It is improper fraction, and therefore we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 33 ones are 33, 2 upon 33. But doesn't matter if you write down that one also, it cannot be wrong. That is also the right sum. Then we will take the third sum now. In the third sum, what does it say? Z upon Z plus 15. Z upon Z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. So now what will we do? We will do the cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, what do we get? 9 multiplied by Z means 9Z is equal to 4 into bracket Z plus 15. Therefore, 9Z is equal to, now we open the bracket, 4 multiplied by Z, 4Z plus 15 4s are 60. So now we will do this side. 9Z minus 4Z is equal to 60. Now 9Z minus 4Z, you know that it is 5Z. So 5Z is equal to 60. And therefore Z is equal to 60 upon 5. You know that 60 divided by 5 is 12. So our answer is 12. Here I am writing Z like that because sometimes you do like Z like that, some do like that, and 2 also same. So to distinguish between 2 and Z, we can write down like that Z and then do like that, then it is Z. So there is a difference, make a difference between 2 and Z. We have to use that type of Z. Fourth one is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Here also we are going to do the cross multiplication, means 5 into bracket 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into bracket 2 minus 6y. Here you will see that when there is a minus sign, very careful. Right? Now we will open the bracket by distributive property. So 5 will be multiplied with both of them. So 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 will be multiplied with both, but sign will be changed. So be careful. So minus 2 2s are minus 4 minus plus 2 6s are 12y. So we get 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 4 plus minus plus 2 6s are 12y. We will bring 12y this side. So 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. So now 15y minus 12y is 3y. So 3y is equal to, now both are negative, so we have to add them and put the greater number sign. So 20 plus 4 will be 24. Greater number is minus. So 3y is equal to minus 24. Now 3 will go other side, becomes in the denominator. So now you can do the cancellation. 3 1s are 3 8s are. And your answer is y is equal to minus 8. So now here what did we do? Here also we did the cross multiplication and then open the bracket. Be careful when there is negative sign outside the bracket. Now we will do the fifth sum. Fifth sum, what is there in this? 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 equals minus 4 upon 3. These types of sum are very easier. Why? Because we don't have to take the LCM. If there are different terms and then denominator, then we have to take the LCM, multiply with the LCM. But here, numerator, denominator, we have to just do the cross multiplication. So here we will multiply 3 with this one. So 3 into bracket 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into bracket y plus 2. So now opening the bracket, 3 will be multiplied with both of them, 7y and 4. So 3 7s are 21y. Then 3 will be multiplied with 4 also. So it will be 3 4s are 12. So 21y plus 12. Here again minus sign like that. So we have to be careful. Change the sign inside the bracket. So it is equal to minus 4y plus minus 4 2s are will be 8. So minus 4y minus 8. And therefore we bring the 4y this side, it is minus 4y. So 21y plus 4y, because that minus 4y becomes plus 4y when it is transposing to the left side from the right side, is equal to, now that side there is minus 8 remaining, but plus 12 will go that side, will become minus 12. So minus 8 minus 12, right? And therefore now 21y plus 4y is how much? 25y. Therefore 25y is equal to, again same, 12 plus 8 20, greater number sign minus, so minus 20. And therefore y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. We can do the cancellation. 5 4s are 5 5s are. Therefore your answer is y is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So here also we did the cross multiplication and the simplify like the fourth sum. Now the sixth sum and the seventh sum are the word problems. So first we have to make the equation according to the given condition and then we have to solve the problem. What is given? The ages of Hari and Harry. Hari and Harry. The ages of Hari and Harry are in ratio. 5:7. This is the first condition given. From the first condition, we will take the supposition, means let what is x and what is the other things, something like that. But here when there is a ratio, then we directly multiply that ratio. It means that let Hari's age be, now here first Hari, then Harry. So Hari is related to 5, Harry is related to 7. So we will take Hari's age be 5x years and Harry's age be 7x years. So whenever there is a ratio, we can't take just simple x, alone x, because the ratio of Hari's and Hari's age is 5:7. It means that we have to multiply both with x. So Hari's age will be 5x and Hari's age is 7x. Now the second condition, God given 4 years. 4 years from now. There is a relation given that 4 years now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So first of all we have to find out that what will be the ages of them after how many years? 4 years. So 4 years from now, Hari's age will be how many years? So we have to add 4 in it. Means is equal to 5x plus 4 years. And Hari's age will be how much? So 7x plus 4 years. And the ratio of their ages will be how much given? Given that it will be 3:4. It means that 5x plus 4, or we can write it here. So 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now we got that, so we will do the cross multiplication now. Therefore 4 into bracket 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into bracket 7x plus 4. So now we have to do the multiplication of the brackets. So 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. 21 will come here, 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. Therefore, now 20x minus 21x, opposite sign, so we have to subtract and give the greater number sign. So 21 minus 20 will be 1x and greater number is minus, so minus x. Here also same, 12 minus 16 means 16 minus 12 is 4. Therefore, negative will be x is equal to positive 4. Therefore, what was Hari's age? 5x. Therefore, Hari's age is equal to 5x, means 5 4s are 20 years. And Hari's age, what did we take Hari's age? 7x is equal to 7 4s are 28 years. So now by this way we have to take 5x and 7x, then their ratio after 4 years. So after 4 years means in both of them we have to add 4 and then the ratio is 3/4 and then simple we do the cross multiplication and we got the value of x and then 5x and 7x. Now the last 7th sum. Here it is given that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So we will take numerator as x and then denominator is greater by 8 means denominator will be x plus 8. So let the numerator of rational number be x. Now given that the denominator is greater than its numerator by how much? By 8. Therefore, the denominator will be x plus 8. Therefore, the ratio, we know that ratio means numerator upon denominator. What is numerator? X. What is denominator? X plus 8. Now read the second thing. If the numerator is increased by 7, now the numerator is increased by 7. And what else? Not 7, 17. Okay. By 17, and denominator is decreased by 1. And the denominator is decreased by 1. Then the number obtained is 3 by 2. Then we get 3 by 2. So now what was our original numerator was x. What we have to do? Increased by 17 means x plus 17. And what we do with the denominator? The denominator is decreased by 1 means x plus 8 minus 1. Decreased by 1 means minus 1. And then you get the answer 3 upon 2. So here first we will do this 8 minus 1. So x plus 17 upon x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. So you get 3 upon 2. Now same thing again, cross multiplication. So 2 into bracket x plus 17 is equal to 3 into bracket x plus 7. So now open. So 2 multiplied by x is 2x plus 17 2s are 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. X will come this side. So 2x minus 3x, 21 minus 34. So minus x is equal to now 21 minus 34. Means we have to subtract 34 minus 21 and give minus sign. So 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. Therefore we get x is equal to 13. And what is denominator? Therefore x plus 8 is equal to 13 plus 8. So we get x plus 8, or you can direct it here. 13 plus 8 how much? 21. Therefore, the final answer we have to write down the fraction, because we have to find the rational number. Therefore, the rational number what did you take in the beginning rational number? X upon x plus 8. Here we should write down rational number. Rational number x upon x plus 8. So x upon x plus 8. We got both the value 13 and 21. So answer is 13 upon 21. That will be your final answer. So now we are finished with this exercise and also the chapter. Now after this you will get PDF file also in our AB School app. You have to write down that everything what is in the PDF file in your notebook, and if there is any difficulties you should write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.